Hello, in this video I'm unboxing and reviewing the Ultimate Speed battery charger. First of all, I want to say that this charger is great for its price, already tested earlier. This charger have 8 programs for optimal adaptation to the battery type. Intelligent microprocessor control with diagnostic program and fully automatic charging process. Impulse charging to revive discharged batteries. There is also overload, short circuit and polarity protection. It's for 12 or 24 volts batteries from 20 to 300 amp hours capacity, with max charging current of 10 amps for 12 volts and 5 amps for 24 volts. And these are the programs for charging. Program 1 for 12 volts batteries, max voltage 14.4 and max current is 5 amps. Program 2 12 volts, max voltage 14.7 and max current is 5 amps. Program 3 12 volts, max voltage 14.4 and max current is 10 amps. Program 4 12 volts, max voltage 14.7 and max current is 10 amps. Program 5 is 24 volts, max voltage 28.8 and max current is 2.5 amps. Program 6 24 volts, max voltage 29.4 and max current output is 2.5 amps. Program 7 24 volts, max voltage 28.8 and max current is 5 amps. Program 8 is 24 volts, max voltage 29.4 and output max current is 5 amps. Program 9 is 12 volts power supply, max voltage 13.6 and max current is 3 amps. And the last, program 10, is 24 volts, max output voltage 27.2 and max current output is 1.5 amps. That's it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.